Are we there yet? Shh! Vincent's vlog. Today is the first day of spring and the weather is very nice. And we're going outside to the pond. That's why I got my toolbox here and my glasses here. Fishing rod, check. Toolbox, check. Glasses, check. I'm ready, let's go. Let's go, go, go. Seatbelt, check. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? How long are we going to drive to the pond? We made it, but the wind is too strong. I think we are okay. It's too muddy. We can't go through. We need to find another path. We made it to the pond. It was a long path. Just checking my stuff. Shh! Don't let the fish hear us. I'm rolling it slow so I can trick the fish. It's going to be a long time rolling it slow. Fishing is hard because you can't catch fish. I'm just hanging around with the rest of the water. We didn't catch any fish, but we still had fun. We will be here tomorrow. It is time to go